Hi, everyone. Welcome to Real Situation Series, a brand new mini-series here on English with Luna. In this series, I'll be sharing real-life situations, things we, native speakers, actually say every day. No textbooks, no grammar lessons, no boring repetition, just real English, the kind you hear when you talk to people in cafes, at work, or with your friends. I'm Luna, and I'm from New York. I love helping you understand English the natural way, through stories, daily routines, and real conversations. So grab your coffee, sit back, and listen carefully, because today I'm going to talk about something everyone loves, the weekend. Let's talk about your weekend plans, what we usually do, what we like, and how to describe it in English. You know, weekends are such a special time for me. After a busy week, I really need a moment to slow down, breathe, and just do what makes me happy. Usually, my weekends start on Friday evening. When I finish work, I love to take a long shower, change into something comfy, and order my favorite food, maybe sushi or pizza. Sometimes I watch a movie or listen to music while eating. I don't go out much on Fridays because I'm usually tired. But I really love that calm Friday night feeling when the city gets quiet and you know you don't have to wake up early the next day. That's the best part. On Saturday mornings, I usually wake up a bit late. Not too late, but around 9 or 10. And the first thing I need is coffee. Always coffee. I have a small cafe near my apartment. It's quiet, cozy, and the people there are super nice. They already know my order, an iced latte with oat milk. Sometimes I even take my book or laptop and stay there for a few hours. I like to write or plan my week or just watch people walk by. It's my me time. After that, I usually go for a walk in the park. If the weather is nice, I love feeling the sun on my face. Sometimes I listen to podcasts while walking, something relaxing or funny. It helps me clear my mind. In the afternoon, I often meet my friends. We go to have brunch, or maybe we do some shopping. I'm not a big shopper, but I enjoy walking around and looking at nice things. One thing I love about weekends is that they feel different. People smile more, you can feel a different energy in the air. On Saturday nights, I sometimes go out to dinner with my friends. We talk, laugh, and share what happened during the week. I love those conversations where you talk for hours and don't even realize how late it is. And if I stay home, I cook something nice, like pasta or soup, and just enjoy being quiet. Sometimes I clean my room a little, light a candle, and put on soft music. It sounds simple, but it makes me feel peaceful. Then comes Sunday, my get my life together day. Sunday is when I do laundry, clean my apartment, and prepare for the new week. I also like to make a to-do list, things I want to achieve or small goals. For example, drink more water, go for a run, or finish that book. In the evening, I like to call my family or friends who live far away. We talk, laugh, and share what happened during the week. I love those conversations where you talk for hours and don't even realize how late it is. And if I stay home, I cook something nice, like pasta or soup, and just enjoy being quiet. Sometimes I clean my room a little, light a candle, and put on soft music. It sounds simple, but it makes me feel peaceful. Then comes Sunday, my get my life together day. Sunday is when I do laundry, clean my apartment, and prepare for the new week. I also like to make a to-do list, things I want to achieve or small goals. For example, drink more water, go for a run, or finish that book. In the evening, I like to call my family or friends who live far away. We talk, laugh, and share what happened during the week.
All right, now let's start with Luna tips, some easy and super useful expressions you can use to talk about your weekend plans. Tip 1, I usually to talk about your habits. Example, I usually wake up late on weekends. Tip 2. I like to for your favorite activities. Example, I like to have brunch with my friends. Tip 3. Sometimes for things you don't always do. Example, sometimes I go out for dinner. Tip 4. If the weather is nice, to talk about outdoor plans. Example, if the weather is nice, I go for a walk. Tip 5. It helps me clear my mind, a natural phrase to sound fluent. Example, listening to music helps me clear my mind. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed spending this time with me and that you learned how to talk about your weekend plans in a natural, real way. Now it's your turn. Tell me in the comments, what do you usually do on weekends? Do you like to stay home or go out? I'd love to read your answers. And don't forget, if you liked this episode, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to English with Luna. We'll keep learning together through real stories, real moments, and real English. See you in the next episode of Real Situations series. Bye.